Hey guys, so today I have my Tarte Beauty Kit. They have this kit twice a year, once in May and then once in November, I think it is. So in this kit you get 7 products, you get a bag, and then 6 makeup products from Tarte's line in each category that they have. So let's get into trying all the products that I got on. So I got the Mermaid bag because it's super pretty. Okay, so in here, first thing I have is a foundation. I got the Clay Stick foundation and I got mine in the shade Fair Beige, and let's see how it looks. And then blend it out with my sponge. Okay, so there is the full face with the foundation. It feels really nice going on, and it's very creamy and easily blendable with the sponge, and it gives a nice light medium coverage. It builds up in places if you need it to, but I don't think this could get to full coverage at all really. But I really like how it feels on my skin. It's not drying at all, and it's more of a satin finish. Okay, the next thing in my bag is this concealer. I got the Rainforest of the Sea Aquacealer in Fair Light. Okay, so here is the little concealer. This is in the same line as their Rainforest of the Sea foundation, which I like, so hopefully I like the concealer too. It's got like a giant doe foot, kind of like the Tarte Shape Tape. So let's try this. Just gonna put it right under the eyes. Shade's a little yellow for me, honestly. Put it a little bit down the nose too. Now let's try to blend that out. Okay, so there's the concealer under the eyes. It's definitely not full coverage by any means, but it's a nice light medium coverage to go with the foundation. And it feels nice under the eyes. It's not drying at all and hydrated. So I'm going to set my face and put some bronzer on and highlight, and I'll be right back. Now we have this Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush, and I got the shade Blushing Bride. So this is just a rosy pinky shade. So these blushes in general are pretty sheer, which I like because you can just start off very safe and you can't really apply too much of these very easily. So these blushes are some of my favorites. Okay, so I'm just going to do a simple eyeshadow look really quick, and to stick with the theme, I'm going to be using my Tartelette in Bloom palette, since we're using mostly Tarte products right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so just a neutral, simple eye look. Now, the next thing in here is this Tarte Clay Pot in the shade Lucky Penny. You can use these pretty much as anything you want to. You can use it as a liner or just as a cream eyeshadow. So here it is. It's just a nice copper shade. I'm going to just use that as a cream eyeshadow today and apply it to my lid using my finger. And next we have this Best in Faux Lash Extending Fibers. So first you put on the mascara, this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and then you put the fibers on and then more mascara. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so mascara. This mascara seems pretty dried out, honestly. It's just like flaking all over my cheeks. So that's not really fun. Okay, so now we're gonna try the fibers and hopefully I don't go blind. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so cringy to look at. It's like brushing cat hair on my lashes. Let's just try one eye for right now. And then more mascara over the top. Okay, so there's one eye with fibers, one eye without, and I feel like it didn't do much. There's definitely fibers in my eye. I can feel it. I can feel it. And they're all over my face. I'm gonna say pass. Especially if you wear contacts, because these are bugging the shit out of my eyes. I can't even imagine if you wear contacts how much that would bug you. Okay, so let's wipe all of these away, hopefully. They're everywhere. It's awful. Okay, so maybe those fibers will work more with a wetter mascara, because that one is so dry, it's just like crumbling all over my face. But yeah, with that mascara, dry, no. No, just no. Okay, and last thing in here is the Quick Dry Lip Paint in Homeslice, which is a peachy nude. Okay, so there is Homeslice on. It's really pretty, just a nice pinky nude. And I have a lot of the Quick Dry matte lip paints from Tarte, and I love them. They are one of the best matte liquid lipsticks in my opinion. They feel like nothing on the lips, and they dry down completely, and they last a very long time. But they're not like overly drying, like cement filling on your lips. So I really love those. And this color is really pretty for spring too. So there's everything that I got in my Tarte Beauty Kit. And I really like everything that I got mostly. The foundation is really good. The concealer seems to be pretty good. It's not creasing or anything. The blush is a really pretty color, and I already know I love that formula. The Tarte Clay Pot liner stuff, whatever, is really pretty. I like the color, and I've already tried those out, so I already know I like them. The fibers and the mascara is so dried out. I don't know if that's how the actual mascara full size one is. Maybe that one's just dried out for some reason, I don't know. But the fibers on top of that dry mascara are just like a recipe for disaster. Just all over your face, in your eye, no. And the Quick Dry Lip Paint, I love those, and this color is really pretty. So it's mostly a win. Definitely worth it for the $63 for the 7 products, including the bag. It's really nice. So let me know if you got the Tarte Beauty Kit this year and what you picked out to be in yours, and I'll see you in the next video.